Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of English Lessons with Grammar Man. If it's your first time visiting the channel, then welcome. I'm Grammar Man and I'm your English teacher from Australia, and I hope you are well wherever you are in the world. Now, some of my current students have been mixing up the verb teach and the verb learn lately. So let me show you very quickly the clear difference right now. Learn is an irregular verb. The present simple is learn, the past simple is learnt, and the past participle is also learnt. To learn is to get or receive knowledge or skill in a new subject or activity. For example, I am learning German at the moment. I am receiving knowledge and hopefully improving my skills in the German language. You are learning English. You are receiving knowledge and improving your skills in English. I hope that you learn a lot from my English lessons. I hope that you receive a lot of knowledge about English from my lessons. And one last one, not about languages. Mozart began learning to play the piano when he was 4 years old. Mozart began receiving knowledge, and you could say he started practicing, he started learning when he was 4 years old. And because he was receiving knowledge and he was a genius, his skills started to improve. Now let's talk about the verb teach. This is also an irregular verb. We have present simple, teach, past simple, taught, and the past participle is also taught. To teach means to give knowledge, or to train someone, or to instruct someone. The most important message is this. To teach means to give knowledge, and to learn means to get or receive knowledge. For example, I teach you English. I am a teacher. I teach you English. I give you knowledge. It is incorrect to say, I am learning you English. You can't learn someone something. This is the mistake I see most often with learn and teach. You cannot follow the verb learn with a personal pronoun. You can't say, he learnt me tennis, or I learnt my son to play football. No, incorrect. You can learn something, Mozart learnt piano, or you can teach someone something. Mozart's father taught him piano. And that's basically all there is to it. It's easy when you know the rule. Learn is to get or receive knowledge, and teach is to give knowledge. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you learnt something from this lesson or any of my other lessons, then be sure to subscribe and join my Facebook group, where I give away a free English lesson every month via Skype. Have a great day, everybody, and all the best with your English goals and life goals. Cheers!